based on the evidence, may na-commit. Pagka hindi na-commit, tapos na yung political and ano. So, wala na yon, ika-acquit mo na. Pero kung nakita nyo, may ebidensya, talagang kinumit yung crime. So, there's one legal question. Next, sabi nung taong bayan, tama lang, grabe pala yung ginawa, tama lang matanggap. Yun na yun. Yun na yung value added ng senador. Yun yung kanyang pagdidesisyonan. So, lahat yan, yung elemento na yan yung magiging konsiderasyon na isang senator judge.
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
It's one thing, kasi unfortunately, I don't know anong basa mo, pero marami naguguluhan sa ano nangyari. Ano ba ito? Ping-pong ba ito? Tuloy ba yung impeachment? Hindi tuloy yung impeachment. But assuming tuloy yung impeachment, and I'm saying this because as of this conversation, we could be weeks away from a vote kung saan by majority they might de facto dismiss it, right? Assuming tuloy yung impeachment, the parameters of the trial itself is going to be determined by the Senate, right? Because it's a sui generis.
Yeah.
Yung issue ng bank secrecy, at saka yung exposure of yung money trail, is that something that has to be also voted upon, or it could come as a package once the trial is put together from your own experience and understanding of the procedures?
Well, technically, pwede na isubpina. Kasi because of the exemption, pwede na kagad yun. Kaso, pag naging political ito na tipong suppression of evidence, gagawin talaga yon. But since mapapanood ito ng taong bayan, makikita nila, bakit tinatago ito? Kung wala namang tagong yaman, bakit kailangan magtago? Gagamitin natin the same logic that they've been using nung panahon nila Digong, di ba? Na tipong kung hindi ka adik, ba't ka natatakot? O ngayon kung hindi ka magnanakaw, ba't ka natatakot?
Wala kang takot sa batas.
Kung wala naman talagang laman yan, di yun. So, ganun yan. Kaya nga, very, very important ingredient dito, yung public opinion. Public opinion is the, kumbaga ang bida rito. Yan ang kinukonsidera ng mga legislators. And that's the reason why, by design, nung pina-formulate yung US government, yung US Constitution, nakita nung mga founding fathers nila, now, wag nila ibigay sa mga abogado, sa mga jurist, rather, sa mga huwes, yung impeachment trial. Dahil pagka huwes, ang makukonsidera lang is the legal component. Ang impeachment kasi, may 3 components siya. The legal, the political, and the policy components. At yung politiko, yung senador being elected, mas may grasp siya nung political component, tsaka yung policy component. Yung mga huwes, pag sinabing magiging technical against the rules of court yan, dito, gano'n.
Tsaka yung threshold, mataas. Yung quantum of evidence na kailangan.
Well, magkapares yun, actually. So, yung quantum of evidence is, ultimately, sabi nga nila, you know when you know, lahat kasi ang buong bayan makakapanood nito impeachment trial. So, makikita nila yung husga nung man on the street, dapat the same yan nung husga nung senator judge. That's the political component. So, bakit 3 components? Kasi hindi lang na-prove yung allegation. Sa mga jurists, sa mga judges, tanggal na kagad yan pag na-prove. O example, kung finailan ka na impeachment on tax evasion, assuming ma-prove yun na nag-evade ka ng taxes, let's say, by 1,000 pesos, yung isang vice president, yung isang impeachable officer, for the judges, they don't have any choice. The law is the law. They will convict you. Pero, pagka sa impeachment, pagka yung political officer ang magtitingin nun, titignan nila, teka muna, sasabihin ng taong bayan, 1,000 pesos lang naman pala. Everybody would try to skirt around taxes anyway, parang ganon. So, yun. Then next, yung policy question is important din. Na tipong, is this the right thing to do? Or, is it good for our country?
Right.
Yan yung policy question. So, titingnan nila, iwi-weigh nila lahat yan. So, ano ito? Kung 1,000 lang naman pala ang nadaya, sasabihin ng taong bayan, hindi, okay lang yan. O sige, let it slide.
Kaysa magkakagulo or something. Yeah.
Pero kung yung next, hindi automatic yun doon sa policy question na, is it good for the country? Kasi kung talagang walang hiya naman itong politiko na ito, talagang karumal-dumal yung ano, but he was caught there, maaring okay siya doon sa political side, pero sa policy side, hindi. So maraming konsiderasyon yon, which yung justices with all their technical know-how sa justice system, sa mga batas, hindi nila ma-appreciate yun kasi hindi sila binoto ng taong bayan. So, kaya ganon ang disenyo ng impeachment.
Which makes it sui generis as a court.
Yes, and kaya napaka-importanting elemento rito yung public opinion. Pero yung wisdom kaya hindi lang naman ito sabihin, kung public opinion ang importante dito, i-decide na lang natin o survey na lang tayo, consensus. Hindi ganon. Kasi supposed to be, ang dagdag naman o value added ng isang senador is aside dun sa alam niya yung pulso ng taong bayan, kundi dapat mas alam niya kung ano ang ikabubuti para sa bayan. So that's the policy question. So bukod dun sa legal question, pero yun yung pundasyon. Kailangan, based on the evidence, may nakumit. Pagka hindi nakumit, tapos na yung political and ano. So, wala na yun. Ika-acquit mo na. Pero kung nakita nyo, may ebidensya, talagang kinumit yung crime. So, there's one legal question. Next, sabi nung taong bayan, tama lang. Grabe pala yung ginawa. Tama lang matanggal. Okay. Pangatlo is it good for the country na matanggal itong official na ito? Yun na yun. Yun na yung value added ng senador. Yun yung kanyang pagdidesisyonan. So, lahat yan, yung elemento na yan yung magiging konsiderasyon na isang senator judge.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.